Hey, today we are gonna be reviewing keywords in the most cheapest keyboard of all time. So let's get back to the topic. So this keyboard looks alright, has a couple of RGB functions such as these and other things, but the main fact that it is the worst keyboard of all time is that when you are gonna be starting to type on it, the spacebar doesn't work, the L letter doesn't work, and such that it is probably the worst one. It has a mechanical key types, and that's it. Well, also, as I'm gonna be more exploring this, what's this over here? With some kind of glitter or something like this. So leave that to me, that's my thing. Okay, so the keyboard sounds pretty legit. But on the other hand, the keyboard itself isn't that responsive. If you buy 1,000 rupees of like keyboard, you're gonna get a much more better keyboard, but there won't be any RGBs or somewhat, because this is the most cheapest one too, because this was like around 3,000 at the time when I bought it. Yeah, this was cheap, like some, what dollar is $10 maybe, around $10 keyboard. So officially this is like, let me show you how it types in the actual screen. Let's open my notepad. So here we go. When I'm gonna be starting to type, like space. I've pressed space so many times, but it doesn't respond. And when you're gonna use it often, it's gonna be crashing. Like the keyboard gonna start to crash. It won't respond your keys. It's gonna take a long time to do things. And many of time when you're gonna spacebar, when you're gonna press the spacebar, it won't like do anything. You're supposed to like do something, but since it has a very low price tag, so I think it's kind of like you gonna get what you deserve. As for the price 3,000, you're gonna get a mechanical, somewhat blue switch keyboard with a nice kind of symmetrical design. The keys are also kind of like, but the thing that is it, the keys doesn't work. It's just all aesthetics that's the work on. It's not like the proper like the keys and all that should be like symmetrical. I don't know, symmetrical, it's kind of okay, but there's a mechanical keyboard written over here that's so ugly. And yeah, that's it. Or just type so becar. So tata, bye bye, all habis, and see you guys in the next video. It was a short one, just wanted to upload something, and make sure to like, subscribe, and ta-da!